Hello everyone! Welcome to Sophisticated DIY. In today's video, I'm gonna unbox the Barbie Basics number 2 that I just received from Amazon. First impression, gorgeous. It is a very sleek black box. I'm a little surprised because there's nothing pink here. I have to say, even the look is great. The material of the box is not the best, but at this price point, I think it's okay. I'm gonna open my box and I see that it's very interesting, but we are gonna talk about it later. I can't wait to see my doll. And there she is. At first impression, it looks beautiful. Of course, we knew that because this is the mold that was used for the Karl Lagerfeld Barbie, but still, I wanna take a good look at her. As old Barbie, it comes so secure. I'm trying to be very careful in my opening because I don't wanna damage my doll. I can see here at the back that is a certificate of authenticity. It's great, even more for the collectors. I'm trying to be careful to remove my doll, and I can see that the dress that she has is very beautiful. You know, it's pretty much a basic black dress like a La Petite Robe Noire. Remind me on another video to talk about how the little black dress became an icon. And here you go, there she is. She's so beautiful. Oops. I can see that it has some kind of tape, maybe holding the dress so it doesn't rise up, but it's okay. You can remove them easily. The back of the dress is good. It's not the best, but it's not the worst either. This little black dress really looks very good on her. Her face is fantastic. Her gladiator boots are a good complement with her earrings. This is the whole doll. Now let me see what else I can find in the box. So this is the pole stand, and just underneath the certificate is the stand base. So pretty much this is all inside the box. And let me see, let me try. The stand is kind of a little flimsy, but probably this is not that bad. And let me see how well it works with the doll. I think it works very well. It looks fantastic. I love that black with the platinum hair. Looking at the doll, I can see some of imperfection with the plastic. My husband used to work in the plastic industry and he will hate that. But I think it's not a deal breaker for me. The doll is very movable. You can rotate the legs, move the knees, rotate the arm, move the elbows. I see that one of the elbow joints is really stiff. It's supposed to move. I'm gonna go back later. The head as well is very movable, and this doll is designed to remove that head very easily. I'm going back to the elbow. I really can't move that joint. I know that if I submerge it in hot water for a little bit, I won't have that problem. So I'm estimating to see if I can help. But no, I couldn't move it, so I will have to put it in hot water and I will let you know. But in the meantime, look at her. She can make a lot of poses. It's great. I'm missing a range of poses because of the elbow. I know that in the future I will be able to move it. I love her body. I love her face. I found that her hair is not great. It's not super bad neither. So I think at this price point, it's a very good doll. I really love the design of the dress with the cutouts and the length and the neck turtle. And that really combined very, very well with the gladiator boots. She looks very a go-go girl. As I promised before, this is the box. The box has the picture of the other models. I think all of them are gorgeous. My second favorite is the model number 3. I think her skin color combined with the hair, earrings, and the dress looks fantastic. I think that will be the next one I'm gonna buy. So let me know in the comments, what do you think? And if you find this video useful or entertaining, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. Bye!